Okay, number 2 on day 49. Start with that number, 6,578. We're going to subtract 23 times 74. Then we're going to add 1,983. Then we're going to double it. When you say double it, that means times 2. Because you're taking that number twice, times 2. What number do you have now? Okay, so this is a multi-step problem. Even though it's not a word problem, it tells us what steps to do. Okay, so we're going to start with that number. And then we need to it says subtract that times that. But first we need to multiply to figure out what this number is so that we could subtract it from our original number. Then it says add 1,983. And then it says double it. So we can either multiply, we're probably going to multiply times 2 because that's the easiest way. Or you could take that number and add it twice, but we're going to multiply. All right, so I'm going to go to my dry erase board because that makes it easier for me. And so I'm going to take the number that we start with is 6,578. Okay, that's the number we're going to start with. Then I'm going to subtract 23 times 74. So first I have to multiply that. First I have to multiply that. So 4 times 3 is 12. Drop my 2, carry my 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Cross and drop a 0. 7 times 3 is 21. I'm going to drop my 1, carry my 2. 7 times 2 is 14, 15, 16. I'm going to add 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 1 is 0. Drop my 0, or 10. Drop my 0, carry my 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, and bring down my 1. Okay? So our answer to 23 times 74 is 1,702. But our equation says we need to subtract that from our original number. So we're going to take 1,702 and we're going to subtract it. Okay? 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 0 is 7. 5 minus 7 can't do it. I have to borrow because 5 is bigger than 7. So that 5 turns to 15. That 6 turns to 5. 15 minus 7 is 8. Bring down my comma. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, so I have 4,876. Now, our equation says I need to add 1,983 to our new number. So I'm going to add 1,983. Okay? 6 plus 3 is 9. 7 plus 8 is 15. Drop my 5, carry my 1. 9 plus 8 is 17. Plus 1 is 18. Drop my 8, carry my 1. 4, 5, 6. 6,859. So we've multiplied, then we've subtracted, then we've added. Now it says to double it. Remember, double it means times 2. So I'm going to take times 2 and I'm going to multiply. 9 times 2 is 18. Drop my 8, carry my 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. Drop my 7, carry my 1. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Now, if I wanted to, if I wanted to double it like this, where I take 6,859 and then I just add another one, that could still be our answer because it's basically the same thing. You're just adding. So I am just showing you that both of these answers are correct when you add them. So our answer to our question is 13,782. 18. Very good.